In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram action block. So friends, if you're new here in this video, please do like and subscribe this YouTube channel, and please hit the bell icon for latest Android TV videos. So friends, without spending much time, let's get started. So friends, if you are facing this problem, Instagram action block, so we usually face this problem, like we cannot follow anyone, we cannot follow anyone while tapping on follow button, where it used to show up Instagram action block. So friends, how can you fix this problem? So you just need to watch this video till the end so that you will be able to fix this problem. So while tapping on follow, I'm not facing this problem right now, so I cannot show you exactly, but you can just take a tips to do this. So if while you are following when it shows Instagram action block, so if it shows, you take a screenshot of the interface Instagram action block. It will show up like that, like this. So after taking screenshot, go to settings, and then you just need to go to settings, and then wait for a while. So after going to setting, you just need to tap on help. So help, and you need to tap report a problem. After tapping that, send feedback. So you simply need to write here, think I think follow up has been indirected. I think follow up has been indirected by mistake. I think follow-up has been indirected by mistake. So please help me as soon as possible. So after typing that, you just need to tap here, and you just need to add that screenshot that you have taken, that Instagram action block. So after taking the screenshot, actually I didn't took the screenshot, but you can just, after taking the screenshot, after adding the screenshot, you just need to submit, and that's it. So I hope as soon as possible Instagram will look into your problem. So friends, that's it. That is how to fix Instagram action block problem. So I hope you can do that. And okay, thank you for watching the video. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you.